What is the main purpose of the final sentence of the passage? A. To counter a likely objection. B. To provide a possible explanation of a phenomenon. C. To provide further details. Or D. To illustrate the significance of the distinction. Let's begin by reading through the last sentence. May said in an email that one possible explanation for the link between woodland, cognition, and mental health could be that audio-visual exposure through vegetation and animal abundance, which are more common in woodland, provides psychological benefits. Taking a look at our choices, we can see that the wording of choice B, to provide a possible explanation of a phenomenon, is actually mirrored in the text, one possible explanation. And because we can see that Mays is explaining why there might be a connection between woodland cognition and mental health, we can go ahead and mark B, to provide a possible explanation of a phenomenon, as our final answer.